Hi friend! Want to upload your own pictures to use in LessonPix? There are a couple ways to do this. Let's start by going to the Your LessonPix tab. Scroll down to Your Photos and Custom Symbols. Here you can see two ways. You can upload a photo from your computer or email. To upload, just choose the photo file from the computer and give it a title. It will show below. Then you can drag it to the tray and create a material with your photo. You can also email your photo into your account using this account email. The PIN refers to the numbers following your username in the email. The default is 1234. But you can change this to be any number. This email option works great when you use the photos on your phone. Just select the photos and make the subject the title you would like to use. You can also send multiple photos at a time through this email option. A third option for uploading photos to your account is to go to LessonPix.com on your phone's web browser. Here you can take photos or upload straight from your phone. And here's a little trick. Crop the photo square or take square photos. This will maximize the space in the materials and look better. The photos will appear under the Your LessonPix tab to use in any material. You will see a yellow mind flag in the top left corner. This notes that the symbol is custom for your account only. This flag does not show when you create a material. Images with this flag cannot be shared in the Sharing Center. If you need to modify the title or delete a photo from your account, go to the Manage My Symbols link and make the changes. Now you can create materials with custom photos.